Hello there and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Eleftheria and today I'm going to show you 7 alternatives of using Photoshop. If you think this is going to be an interesting video, then please share and subscribe, and in the description you will find all the links that you're going to see in this video. If you're ready, let's just keep rolling. And the first one is Sketch. It is a professional vector graphics app for creatives. In recent years, Sketch has created enormous buzz with the design community and web designers in particular. With a simple UI, Sketch has many features similar to that of Photoshop and Illustrator, including layers, gradients, color picker, and style presets. Its popularity means there are also plenty of community-created Sketch plugins you can use to extend its functionality. The development team behind Sketch has made it as flexible as possible, with it supporting infinitive zooming and vector shapes that are perfect for multiple resolutions. You can build a new graphic from primitive shapes or start a new one with a vector or pencil tool. Alright, and now let's continue with GIMP. GIMP is not as beautiful as the previous one, but it can offer as much as the previous one. So the platforms here are Linux, Windows and Mac, and it's free, whereas the previous one, the Sketch, costed almost $100. Now, a free open-source alternative to Photoshop that's been around for donkey's years, GIMP stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program. It's available in versions Linux, Windows and Mac, and it offers a wide toolset similar to Photoshop in many ways, and is a great option if you're looking for a no-cost image editor. The interface differs somehow from Photoshop, but a version of GIMP is available that mimics Adobe's look and feel, making it easier to migrate over if you're ditching Photoshop. And now I think it's time to continue again with the next one, which is Pixelmator. This one, I have to tell you that it's only for Mac and it costs almost $60. Now, Pixelmator has been around for a while now, but more recently the team released the Pixelmator Pro. While the previous tool used floating windows, the Pro version has a more usable single-window UI and offers non-descriptive image editing. The team have pared back the interface, which should make it easy to pick up, and there is a hidden interface option you can activate if you just want to see your image with no distractions. The Photoshop alternative is geared up especially for use on a Mac, and it supports features like tabs, full screen and split view. A beautiful website, but it's only for Mac. Alright, now let's continue with another one, the Pixelr, which is a free Photoshop alternative that boasts more than 600 effects, overlays and borders. It also lets you do all the main things you'd expect from a basic photo editor, from cropping and tree sizing to removing red eye and whitening teeth. If you're used to using Photoshop, then you'll find Pixel's user interface easy to pick up quickly, as it's very similar. This free app is available in both iOS and Android varieties, or you can use it as a web app. You don't even have to download it. And now let's continue with another one. I don't want you to get distracted by how simple it looks like, but it's really cool and I like this one. It's called paint.net, and yes, although there is not much to see like that, I have to tell you a few things. So it's only for Windows and it's free. Paint.net, as I said, is a window-based alternative to the Paint editor that Microsoft shipped it with versions of Windows. But don't let that put you off though. It's a surprisingly capable and useful tool, available completely free of charge. The software started out live as a Microsoft-sponsored undergraduate project and has become an open-source project maintained by some of the alumni. The focus is easy on use, and there is a definitely tendency towards photo editing rather than artistic creation. That said, there are a range of special effects available, allowing you to easily create fake perspective, blend and push pixels around the canvas, title and repeat selections, and so on and so on. I know that it's not as big as the other ones that I showed you before, but I like this one, and it's free, and it's done by an undergraduate student, so I can see the passion and the love that he has put into it. And now I have the Sumo Paint for you. So Sumo Paint is a highly capable free browser-based image editor. All the standard features you'd expect from a desktop tool are presented and correct. It's lightweight and quick to load, and the free version is very usable. If you don't want the free version, then you can get the pro one, which is $4 per month. But there is another one limitation, so the platform is only browser or iPad. But that's not bad, alright? Now the standard range of tools and adjustments you'd expect are all included. Brushes, pencils, shapes, text, cloning, gradients, etc. are quickly accessed from the Photoshop Escape floating toolbar. It can also open saved documents from your hard drive, making Sumo Paint a perfectly viable option for editing and re-editing. Some tools work in different ways to Photoshop, offering possibilities that would be different too much in Adobe's offering, but there are, however, limitations that will put off some users. Okay, and last but not least, we have the Acorn 6. Alright, let me tell you a few things about Acorn. So the platform here again is macOS, and the price is almost $30. It's an image editing software, debuted back in 2007, and it has provided hobbyists and artists on a budget with a great, affordable alternative to Photoshop ever since. Features on the software include layer styles, non-descriptive filters, curved and levels, blending modes, and much more. The most recent addition, which is Acorn 6, includes new scale and transfer options, the ability to use the clone tool across layers or images, and the ability to use emoji on a path, if you wish so. That were my 7 alternatives of using Photoshop. As you've seen, some of them are free, some of them are paid, or some of them are only for Mac and some else are only for Windows. But I think that you will find something that it will suit you, if you don't like Photoshop. Thank you very much for watching. I'm sorry for the background noise. I'm hoping that it will stop soon, and see you in the next video. Have a lovely day.